This is the question I asked myself to change the way I perceive money and in turn the way I experience money in my reality. That question is, what do I think about rich people? When I see someone talk about money or show the way they interact with money, which means when I see someone who has money, who's just living their life, what are my thoughts about them? Do I think that they're showing off, that they're inauthentic, that they're bad people? Do I believe that just because they have more money, they probably have more problems, that they're not meant to be wealthy, they don't deserve it? What do I believe them to be just because they have money? Because if you judge people for having money, or you believe rich people are mean and bad and all they do is lie, cheat, and steal, you will not manifest more money in your reality. And I know you've heard this before, money is just energy, but I think it finally clicked for me after I read the book Happy Pocket Full of Money by David Gikandi. I'm actually going to talk more about the book on this page because he made it so easy to understand quantum physics and how it relates to your desires and manifestations. But I finally understand what people mean when they say money is just energy. It's numbers on the screen, and it's physical paper that we assign value and meaning to. This is why something that you buy today can be worth less or more later. Like, we as humans do that. If you think about it, money needs us. Without us, everything is just neutral. Everything just is. We give meaning to things. Now, if your belief system is money is a tool that can be used for good, it's safe to be rich, people with money are kind, the more money I have, the more impact I can make, don't you think money would want to be in your reality? Of course it would, because you view money as neutral, as something that can be used to do good things and not ruin people or relationships. So I highly recommend journaling on that question and see where your beliefs with money are. Are you blocking the flow of money into your life simply because you're viewing it in a negative light? And if you want to go deeper, get my Quantum Money Manifesting Tapping Bundle and change your energy with money in minutes. I promise you, this bundle has worked for me and for so many other people, and I know that it will work for you too. All right, I'll see you next time and follow for more.